Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Kashifs in Manchester to try out the chicken fillet burger. So let's go inside and let's take a look at the spicy chicken burger. I've got the menu here guys, so they do different kind of variety of food. I've gone for the spicy chicken fillet burger. This is inside, it's fantastic. A lot of seating areas here as well. And guys, so we've got some offers on here. Cheesy burger, and that is for $7.99. We've got another offer on here, ham and box, for $11.99. And guys, so here we are. So I've got my spicy chicken burger here. So let's take a look inside. So we got mayonnaise, we got lettuce, and we got cheese in that burger, and we got that big thick chicken there. So let's give this a taste. Wow, that was really nice. Plenty of flavors coming out of that chicken burger. There's plenty of sauce on that as well, spicy sauce. The bun nice and warm. It's incredible. So guys, I've got chicken wings here. You get 6 pieces of chicken wings. Now that looks absolutely incredible. So let's give this a taste. That chicken wing is absolutely wonderful. It's very soft. You can see the batter there. That is very soft as well. Easy to eat, and it's really nice and fresh. So guys, I've got a tin of Rubicon here, sparkling mango. Let's give this a taste. Superb. Guys, I've just finished my spicy chicken burger. I must say that was absolutely superb. Really nice burger. I must say, if you're in Manchester, come to Kashifs. I'll drop the address down in the description below. Do come and check them out. It's worth it. Also, the customer service has been fantastic as well. Nice lads at the back. But guys, this burger is just basically similar as Miami crispy. So similar. And also the chicken wings were great as well. I really enjoyed this meal today. That burger was absolutely phenomenal. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.